from Asmara, this is ERi-TV English News Broadcast for 8th of February. The time is 10:30 p.m. right now. Good evening to you, and let's begin with the top stories. Training provided on sign language to workers of various institutions. New elementary school under construction in Eritrea administrative area. India and Malaysia pledge to bolster trade defense collaboration. Tanzanian and Ugandan leaders vow to boost bilateral ties. The National Association of the Hearing Impaired Southern Red Sea Region branch has provided a 3-month sign language training to 46 workers from various institutions. The training was conducted in the port city of Asab. Mr. Yosef Sahaye, head of the Ministry of Labor and Social Welfare branch in the region, said the objective of the training was to ease communication challenge that citizens with hearing impairments may encounter at social service institutions, thereby enabling them to access the service they require, indicating that the training program was organized for the second time in the region. Mr. Al-Abwal Mariam, head of the association's regional branch, said the program was part of ongoing effort to support citizens with hearing impairments in gaining easier access to social services. Mr. Waldemika El-Sile, chairman of the National Association of the Hearing Impaired, on his part noted that the association has 4,000 members since its inception and called on others to join the association and benefit from the opportunities it provides. According to reports, similar trainings was provided last year to 50 citizens in the southern Red Sea region. A new elementary school is under construction in Eritrea administrative area of Galanef Hisab zone in the central region. The school includes 7 rooms and it's expected to accommodate school-aged children who were unable to attend regular education due to a long distance from existing schools. Mr. Tesfamariam Tawolde, coordinator of the construction, said the school incorporates 5 classrooms, 2 offices, a water reservoir with a capacity of 100 barrels, toilets, and a compound. He also commended the support provided by the Addahallo project towards the construction effort. Mr. Bokhru Gabradingil, administrator of the administrative area, said the initiative to construct the new elementary school was aimed at enabling school-aged children in the area to access education within their vicinity. He further commended all those who participated and contributed to the construction of the school. Mr. Daniel Salomon, head of the education office in Galanef Hisab zone, and Mrs. Froina Haile, director of the school, said the previous school was located 3 kilometers from the administrative area, which negatively affected the teaching-learning process. They noted that with the construction of the new school, many school-aged children in the area will be able to attend classes regularly. Eritrea administrative area is located 23 kilometers south of Asmara and has a population of about 900 residents. Those were updates on the local concerns. We'll be back with global affairs right after this. Leaders from India and Malaysia have affirmed their commitment to strengthening trade ties and exploring new cooperation in semiconductors, defense, and other sectors. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Malaysian Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim met today in Malaysian administrative capital Putrajaya. The two leaders pledged to deepen Indian-Malaysian collaboration across trade and investments, food security, defense, healthcare, and tourism. At a news conference after hosting Modi, Malaysian Prime Minister said that it's comprehensive and the two countries believe that they can advance this and execute in a deep and speedy manner with the commitment of both governments. Modi is on a 2-day visit to Malaysia. It is his first since the two countries elevated ties to a comprehensive strategic partnership in August 2024. After their meetings both leaders witnessed the exchange of 11 cooperation agreements their countries had signed, including on disaster management and peacekeeping. Under the 2024 Comprehensive Strategic Partnership, Malaysia and India already collaborated on a range of issues, including defense. Tanzanian and Ugandan leaders yesterday pledged to boost bilateral ties and regional cooperation during Ugandan President Yoweri Museveni's visit to Tanzania. Tanzanian President Samia Suluhu Hassan and Museveni reaffirmed the two countries' historical relations and called for the accelerated implementation of strategic joint projects, notably the East African Crude Oil Pipeline, ECOP, as well as gas and refined oil pipeline initiatives. The ECOP project, with its construction undertaken by Chinese enterprises, stretches 1,539 kilometers from Uganda's Tilenga Central Processing Facility to Tanzania's Tanga port. The project has achieved a milestone with its main line welding completed. It reached 79% completion by January 2026 and is expected to be finalized in July 2026. The two leaders agreed to upgrade transportation infrastructure across Lake Victoria and through the port of Dar es Salaam and Tanga to enhance trade efficiency. They further committed to removing non-tariff barriers and improving the business environment within the East African community. We're about to conclude our news broadcast, but before we say goodnight, here's a final look at the top stories. Training provided on sign language to workers of various institutions. New elementary school under construction in Eritrea administrative area. India and Malaysia pledged to bolster trade defense collaboration. Tanzania and Ugandan leaders vow to boost bilateral ties. That's all with the news for this session. On behalf of the entire news crew, thank you very much for watching. Have a great night.